TBC community, this is John Wood, and this is what TBC can do again for all the community. Today I'm in Ho Fiave, and actually I've seen a wonderful poster, and I've seen a great things TBC is doing in Ho Fiave. A health screening, health specialist that accept 40% TBC. You can see that TBC is doing amazing things, and they are here, and I want to interview them and know why they are accepting TBC. So you can now come in and you go in and interview to see what is TBC doing in their office. I can see this is amazing because it is a great opportunity for the whole TBC community. This is great opportunity. You can go. Hello, Mr. George. Yeah. In fact, it's amazing that seeing you accepting 40% TBC.
Yes.
And this is great. I can see your office, everything is nice. And I can see you also have business partners along with you.
Yes.
And please, I would like you to introduce yourself. And
Okay, I'm Reverend George Kunu. I'm the director of Otagbo Healthcare Center, and I'm a member of the TBC. So I like the TBC, and I like the business. So it's my pleasure to use my product as 40% TBC. 40% TBC, because I know TBC is a money. It's a money. So I want to use 40% TBC. You get more products. This is WJC. This is WJC for the health, which is 140 Ghana cedis by using TBC. So when you bring 100 Ghana cedi with your TBC, you can take it. When you go to the store safe, this is how they sell it. And this is, let's say, this is Dashin Plus. This one too, Dashin Plus for the hearts. When you go to the shop, we sell it at 100 Ghana. The same thing that you sell it. But when you also 40% TBC. So you just bring 60 Ghana cedis plus your TBC, then you buy it. You get more products. This one video capsules for men. People who doesn't do well at their best and
who cannot fire well.
Fire, yeah.
It's for fire.
So, fire. 100 Ghana cedis. The TBC is just 40% TBC. So 60 Ghana cedis. You get more products. Calcium. Let's say this one for. Let's say this product also. This Bivata for pressure. Those people who stroke people. The same thing 100 Ghana cedis. But you just use TBC and buy it. That is for the kidney to the same thing. These kidneys 100 Ghana cedis. Also you take TBC 40. So let's say almost all the products you just say Ghana cedis. Then with the TBC you'll be free. You got more products. And you get even use machines here. As you can see, you have machine, the contour machine. As you can use the contour machine that is used. You don't give out product just like that. You just cream you, then you see this is the contour machine. As you can see. Yes. So my brother, this is amazing all together. So it's at Fiave, opposite Global Church. When you go to anywhere at all, everybody knows Fiave, opposite Global Church. You get the taxi driver that you are going to Fiave, opposite Global Church. You just opposite, you see our banner there. It's accept 40% TBC, 50% TBC. Yes. So, my brother.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. George. It's great opportunity because I can feel some of the products myself, and these are the products that you can use your TBC to buy.
Yes.
If you are in Ghana and you say still you don't know what to buy with your TBC, if you come to Ho Fiave, you can use your TBC, 40% of your TBC and 60% cash to purchase, to check your health. You see, life is health. Life is healthy. If you have your health, you can enjoy your wealth. So wealth is life. So what I want to tell the whole TBC community is it's great that we have this technology. You know, very soon all the world government are going to accept blockchain technology. TBC is going to accept everywhere. And if you are in Ho, especially all TBCians at Ho, please, this Herbal Doctor is accepting 40% TBC. You can spend your TBC. Even if you are in Accra, You need some of the products. You have a waste problem. You cannot firewall. All the products are here. You can order. You can call him. Please, what is your number? If you can.
My number is 0246 440964. The number again 0246 440964. The second number to 020 7417313. That's my number.
Okay.
Yes.
So
you can call me anytime, anywhere, anytime.
Everybody in TBC community, whether you are in the north, you are in the Volta region, anywhere you are, you call. You can send everything by any means of transportation, and you will reach. You get your product and everything. TBC is doing well in Ho, and I can see that we have one of our bishop here who want to share his mind. Bishop.
Yes. Yes. That is a great thing. We can see all over the world that the cryptocurrency is going wide, and it is actually money. So very soon we believe that everybody is going to be involved. It's better we do it now when it is not too late. So that's why we like cryptocurrency. I'm also a member of cryptocurrency, and introducing many people I know into it. So I invite everybody to reason with us in this. Is very important. So when it is not too late, it's better you come in and join. Thank you.
Okay, my boss,
Yes.
do you have something to say about the TBC?
Yeah, TBC is one of the cryptocurrency that is selling so much. Many people don't know how to use it, but this is a way of introducing people to use TBC. Potokbo Health Care Center is one of the best care center here, which is helping a lot of people, and is helping also people to get money by empowering them, introducing them to TBC or how to use the TBC. So it's using 40% TBC and 60% cash for people to be able to have treatment here. The products are very good. You can see one of the tea there that washes our system. This tea is a very good tea. You take it in the morning and the evening, it cleans your system and you become very healthy. You say health is life, and I also say that health is wealth, because when you are strong, you are wealthy. So we are inviting people. TBC is usable. You must come here and then you can spend your TBC, part of it, and then you'll be treated very well. You get some of the product and you be free. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, my boss. Thank you. Yeah, it's true that we are planning very huge to all TBC leaders in Volta region, especially Ho. We want to use here as a center to educate people. If you are in Ho and still want to understand more about TBC, we want you to be part of this group. We are creating a strong leaders at Ho, whereby we can also start building a strong TBCs at Ho. We can connect more merchants from Ho. Very soon we are going to have about 60 merchants from this region, from this team. So if you are part of a TBC community and you are at Ho, please, you can still contact me. You can still contact my boss, Mr. George.
0246 440964. 0246 440964. That is my number. So you can contact me anytime, anywhere.
Yeah.
We are here always. We started the business 7 o'clock and we close 5 o'clock. So you can even come at even Saturday itself, when you call us, when you're around, we will come and attend you. So I think
and TBC community is team building. If maybe you are in your home right now watching this video, and maybe you join TBC, somebody just scammed you, took your money, and didn't provide you the TBC. We are ready here to help you with the mass adoption promo to also get this TBC in your account. Maybe you want somebody who can explain this very well to you. We are still building leaders here who can do the explanation very well. Then if you want to join the community, or you want to join our team, then we are ready also to help you to join the team, and you understand how you can send the TBC, how you can make money. TBC is not exchangeable to fiat currency. Please, TBC is a currency created for buying of goods and services. Buying goods and services. So we are here to provide you the service. We are here to give you the knowledge, the understanding for you to also duplicate and make money, make some Bitcoin from the system. This is a great opportunity given to vote the whole voter region. And we are at Ho Fiave
opposite Global Church.
Opposite
Ho
Global
Fiave,
Church.
opposite Global Church.
Yeah, and this is a great opportunity. Please, can we all come together? Yeah, this is a great opportunity we have, and we are going to create a multinational from this generation.